Hey guys, I just felt like trying out one of my old jackknives to put on the short hook, and I found a Master 140. I've had this for 5 years. This is one of the first locks that I was able to pick, and it's the first one with spools I was able to pick. You can also see in the bottom that it's quite worn. But it's still a fun lock that I do turn back to once in a while, especially as it is now where I'm quite rusty. So let's see if I can open it with the jackknife. I should be able to. Okay, false set. Here we go. Alright, I can still pick that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the quick little video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.